Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, and this is sort of my post-nor'easter wrapping things up update. I didn't come yesterday because there wasn't much to report that was new, but these dark clouds behind me, they're moving on out to sea, and we actually saw some breaks in the clouds earlier, and even the sun is really trying to come out. So we made out real well, lost some walkways, but not as many as I expected, and I had really thought that this storm might be one we remember for a while, and I'm happy to be wrong. This thing's moving on out, and we will be forgetting about it and on to the next one. But hope you enjoyed the updates, and we love keeping you all informed. And it is really amazing to watch the power of a good storm. When the ocean is crazy rough, there is nothing like it. There's nothing like just sitting there watching the power of the ocean. It's something to respect, yet really be amazed by. So we will be talking to you next time. And until then, great shells to find. I promise I didn't set this up. It's just what it looks like. Go a little further. Oh, that's cool. Actually, that's not sharp, but I don't know if people like that stuff or not. I'm not much of a beachcomber for shells, but yeah, a lot of cool stuff to go check out. If you find yourself in the four-wheel drive area after a storm like we've had, just make sure you use caution when you're going over the ramps. There can be lots of debris and some cliffs like on this ramp. My front right wheel kept coming off the ground, so it made it a little bit challenging to get over the hill, but usually if you back up a couple times and sort of make a path, she'll come right over no problem. Be careful. Phew.